Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala isn't just close to us, but He responds. Now you might think, hold on a second. We all have that person in our lives very close to us. We trust more, we communicate more, we feel a special connection, they have a special place in our heart. When we're in trouble, we'll call them. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not this for me. And still Allah is near. How? You may not be near to Allah, but Allah is still close to you. You may not be near. You might feel yourself far from Allah, but Allah is still close to you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ وَنَعْلَمُ مَا تُوَسْوِسُ بِهِ نَفْسُهُ. We created the human being and we know what whispers, what their self whispers to them. We know what the voice in their head is saying. Things that nobody else knows, we know it. وَنَحْنُ أَقْرَبُ إِلَيْهِ مِنْ حَبَلِ الْوَرِيدِ. And we are closer to them than their jugular vein. If you cut that vein, a person will die very quickly. The blood flow is very quick. It's vital to the human body. Just as this vein is needed to the human body, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala you need Him more than that vein.